Welcome, my ladies. Welcome to the world of polynomials. Poly means many, nomials means terms. An expression that has many terms is called polynomial. An expression with one term is called monomial. With two terms, binomial. With three terms, trinomial. Polynomial. Now you see this expression 5x square plus 2x minus y, and 5 and 2 are coefficient, means multiplier. X and y are variable because the value of x and y may vary. 7 is constant, 1 above, plus minus are operators. Now I explain you variable x or y or a or b. Its value can be changed. Its value after the calculation you can get the value of x either 1 or 2 or 3 or any value. Coefficient multiplier 5x. Here 5 is increasing the value of x 5 times. Exponent, it's also called power, x square, x cube. X square means x multiplied by x. X cube means x multiplied by x again multiplied by x. Means x is multiplied 3 times. Not by 3 but 3 times. 3x means x is multiplied by 3. Whenever x cube is x multiplied 3 times. Now the operator you have to according to the operator. Means either you have to go for addition or subtraction or multiplication. And the constant, the value of the constant remains same. Therefore, variable, you have to learn all these terms. Variable, coefficient, exponent, operator and constant. Again I am repeating. Polynomials में variable, coefficient, exponent, power and constant. Now, what is degree of a polynomial? What is degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest degree of the monomial within a polynomial. It means we have to check the terms. As in question number 1, it is 6s to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 5x plus 19. We have to check which term has the highest power. In question number 1, it is 6s to the power 4. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 4. The degree of the polynomial is 4. Now, in question number 2, you see 6x to the power 6 plus 3x to the power 5 plus 5x to the power 4 plus 19. Here, you see the degree of the polynomial is 6. The degree of the polynomial is 6. Why? Because the highest exponent is 6. Again I am repeating it for you. What is the degree of a polynomial? The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest degree of a monomial within a polynomial. Means the highest degree of any term. In question number 1, you are saying 6s to the power 4. Here 4 is the highest degree. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 4. And in question number 2, it is the degree of the polynomial is 6. Now, polynomial equations. The polynomial equations are those expressions which are made up of multiple terms. The standard form of writing a polynomial equation is to put the highest degree first and the constant term at last. Now, the example is b is equal to a to the power 4 plus 3a cube minus 2a square plus a plus 1. Here you are saying the power 4. Power 4 is first, and then cube, then a square, then 1, and then constant. Again I am repeating, the polynomial equations are those expressions which are made up of multiple terms. You know polynomial has many terms, and the standard form of writing, what is the standard form of writing a polynomial equation? Polynomial equation may always be write the biggest power first and then next then lesser, and then the constant. Now what are like terms? Like terms are terms whose variables and their exponents are the same. The coefficients can be different. As in example number 1, you see 7x, x and minus 2x. Here x is variable, and in all it x, 7x, x, 2x, x is x. It means x is same. X is same. Here you see these all are like terms because the variables are same. But in example number 2, you see 1 upon 3xy square, minus 2xy square, 6xy square and 1 upon 2xy square. Here again all are like terms because the variables are same and the exponents are also same. That is x, y square. Here you see the exponents, the variables and the exponents both are same. It means these are like terms. What are unlike terms? Unlike terms are the terms whose variables are different and or their exponents are different. Either the variables are different, and if the variables are same, then exponents are different. It will be easier for you to understand with example number 1. You see 7x, y, minus 2c. Here the variables are different. One is x, one is y and one is c. Now I ask you one thing. Are all unlike terms because the variables are different? Are or unlike terms because the variable are different? Yes. 7x, y and minus 2c are all unlike terms because in one is x, another is y and another is c. Now the example 2, 1 upon 3y cube minus 2y square, 6y to the power 4 and 1 upon 2y to the power 5. Here you see the variables are same, but the exponents are different. Therefore these all are unlike terms. Variables are same, but the exponents are different. Therefore, these are unlike terms. We can add like terms to make one term. Example, 7x plus x is equal to 8x. Ever to write 1x, we never write 1x. Example is 7x plus x is equal to 8x. Example number 2 tells you 4x cube plus 3x cube minus 7x cube plus x cube is equal to x cube. Here you see the variables are same and along with the variables their exponents are also same. Now you listen, we cannot add unlike terms. Example number 1, 4x cube plus 3x square plus x. Here although the variables are same but the exponents are different. X cube, x square, x to the power of 1 only, x. Example number 2, x cube plus x square minus y, where again the variables are the same but the exponents are different. Therefore we cannot add it. Again I am repeating, please listen. We can add the like terms to make one term. We can add like terms, we can add only like terms. As 7x plus x, here the variables are same and their exponents are also same. Understand? 4x cube plus 3x cube minus 7x cube plus x cube. Here variables are same and exponents are also same. But we cannot add unlike terms. Here 4x cube plus 3x square plus x. Here you are seeing the variables are same, x, but the exponents are different. One is 3, one is 2 and one is 1. We cannot add it. Neither we can add it nor we can subtract it. Are you following? We can add or subtract only like terms and we cannot add or subtract unlike terms. Now, addition of polynomials. To add polynomials, we always add the like terms. That is the terms having the same variables and the same exponents. The addition of polynomials always results in a polynomial of the same degree. In some cases it is different also, but here we see to add polynomials we always add the like terms, that is the terms having the same variable and same exponents. Example, find the sum of the two polynomials. Please write in your notebook. 5x cube plus 3x square y plus 4xy minus 6y square and 3x square plus 7x square y minus 2xy plus 4xy square minus y. First we combine the like terms. We have to first of all recognize it, identify it, the like terms. And we leave the unlike terms. As in it, you see 5x cube, there is no other cube in it. Then 3x square. These are unlike terms in both the expressions. But 3x square y and 7x square y. Here, the exponent, the variables and the exponents same. Therefore, we will add it. 4xy minus 2xy, we will again add it. And now we see minus 6y square plus 4xy square minus 5. These are all different. Therefore, we will not touch it. So the answer will be, just you write in your notebook. Please do it yourself first and then check it. 5x cube plus 3x square plus 10x square y plus 2xy minus 6y square plus 4xy square minus 5. Here you see, we don't touch 5x cube. We don't touch 3x square. But we add 3x square y and 7 square y as 3 plus 7 x square y. It results into 10x square y. Again we see xy, 4xy minus 2xy. 4 minus 2 into xy is equal to 2xy. Then minus 6y square, it has no matching. 4xy square, it has no matching. And minus 5 is constant. Now, in addition, we combine the like terms. First of all, we recognize it and then we write like terms and we leave the unlike terms. We don't make any change in unlike terms. Okay? Now the subtraction of polynomials. Subtracting polynomials is similar to addition. The only difference being the time of operation. Example, find the difference of two polynomials. 5x cube plus 3x square y plus 5xy minus 6y square and 3x square plus 7x square y minus 2xy plus 4xy square minus 5. We have to subtract it. First, we combine the like terms. Again, same as addition, here in subtraction, we combine the like terms while leaving the unlike terms as they are. Hence, 5x cube, it is unlike term. 3x square of the second expression is again unlike term, but here 3x square y and 7x square y. So we will go for 3 minus 7 because it is subtraction. 3 minus 7 x square y plus we see 4xy minus 2xy. Minus will be changed into plus. So 4 plus 2xy and rest are the unlike terms. Therefore we get the answer. What we have to? We have to assert. We have to identify what? Like terms and unlike terms. In like terms, we subtract, but in unlike terms, we cannot do any change except sign, means plus minus or minus plus. Here now I tell you the two different ways to solve this expression. 5x cube plus 3x square y plus 4xy minus 6y square minus, now the second expression is 3x square plus 7s square y minus 2xy plus 4xy square minus 5. You see, what do we do? 5x cube is unlike term of first expression. Now the second expression 3x square is different. It is unlike term. We will not make any change in these two. We go for now the like terms of both the equations, both the expressions. Here you see 3x square y and 7x square y, x square y and x square y. These are like terms. because the variables are same and the exponents are same. So therefore we will subtract it. 3 minus 7 x square y. Now plus 4 plus 2 4xy minus 2xy. Minus 2 will be converted into plus, so 4 plus 2xy. And rest will remain same. Rest may we are not going to make any change except plus or minus operator. Now I tell you the second method, which starts with the green color. 5x cube plus 3x square y plus 4xy minus 6y square. You see, here we write the first line and then second line with minus. Second line with minus means downwards. And then with sign, we change the sign. We change the sign. Where there is plus, we go for minus. Where there is plus, again we go for minus. Where there is minus, we go for plus. And there, where there is plus, we go for minus. And where there is minus, we go for plus. It means it comes now minus 3x square minus 7x square y plus 2xy minus 4xy square and plus 5. We have to take the precautions not to touch unlike terms. It should be noted that subtraction or addition of polynomials may result in a polynomial of the same degree or a lesser degree. It should be noted that subtraction or addition of a polynomial may result in a polynomial of the same degree or lesser degree, as in 5x cube plus 3x square plus 4x minus 6 minus 3x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 5, the result is 2x cube plus 10x square plus 2x minus 11. Here the degree is 3. Here the degree, both the expressions of the question have degree 3 and the answer is also of degree 3. But in the next we see here 5x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 6 minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 5. Here the answer is 10x square. You see, the degree of the both the expressions of the question is 3. Degree is 3. 5x cube. But when we subtract 5x cube minus 5x cube, so x cube is deleted from here. Now the here is degree only 2. Okay, so this addition and subtraction is over. Addition, subtraction over. We'll meet in the next video for multiplication and division. Thank you. Welcome, my ladies. Welcome to the world of